Welcome to your beautifully expanded and remodeled two-story pool home with 5 bedrooms, including a primary suite on each level for a total of 2, plus a bonus room. Located on a large interior tract cul-de-sac lot near Langenbeck Park and serviced by top-ranked schools, this home and the floor plan is perfect for large, multi-generational families.
The pleasant curb appeal starts with the meticulously manicured front yard, represents the inviting appeal of the home. Welcome to 8572 Whitesails Circle in Huntington Beach. Come on in. We know you're going to like what you see.
Entering the home, you're greeted by Brazilian wood floors that expand throughout parts of the downstairs of the home, a living room with a cozy gas fireplace and hearth with travertine tile, a stacked stone facade, accent ceiling beams, and lots of natural light. The dining room also has accented beams, adding to the custom and elegant design of the home. The efficient layout flows seamlessly into a beautiful kitchen that has a large peninsula with a breakfast bar and pendant lighting, 2 skylights, plenty of white oak cabinetry, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances with a built-in 5-burner DeCaro gas cooktop, microwave, and oven.
Next to the kitchen, there's a laundry room with direct access to the 2-car attached garage.
There are 3 generously sized bedrooms, including a downstairs primary suite that has a large closet with built-ins and mirrored closet doors, an en-suite bathroom with a step-in tile shower and glass door enclosure. The 2 expanded downstairs secondary bedrooms both have nicely sized closets with built-ins, ceiling fans, carpet floors, bay windows with sitting benches, and share a full bathroom with a shower and tub. Off the living room is a nicely sized entertainer's backyard with a pool and hot tub with recently refreshed plaster and pavers throughout. Then there is a new Aluma wood pergola that extends over a nice sitting area, a built-in gas barbecue, outdoor fridge, making the space a private oasis for family gatherings or to just enjoy warm breezes and summer pool parties. Back inside, as you make your way upstairs, there's a large bonus room with carpet floors, vaulted ceilings with cedar paneling, a gas fireplace, and 2 skylights. Off the bonus room is a large and second master suite with a wall-length closet with built-ins and mirrored closet doors, vaulted ceilings, a ceiling fan, and a nicely remodeled in-suite bathroom with tile floors, dual vanity sinks with shaker-style cabinets and high-end finishes, a sitting tub and step-in shower with accented tiles, giving it a spa-like vibe.
There's also an office that can serve as a 5th bedroom with 2 closets with built-ins.
Other highlights include vaulted ceilings, dual-pane mill-guard windows and ceiling fans throughout, a new water heater and toilets in 2024, dual-zoned AC and central heating in 2016, 7 skylights, copper plumbing throughout, Aluma wood pergola in 2021, new pool and heat pump in 2019, side and back patio drains and system pavers in 2017, a 200-amp panel upgrade in 2016, a replastered pool in 2007, a new 40-year roof in 2003, sprinklers on timers, storage over garage with pull-down stairs, and the home addition was completed in 1986.
Only steps away, Langenbeck Park offers a great space to walk, play with kids and pets, or just enjoy beautiful open space.
Close to award-winning schools, a short bike ride away to world-class white sand beaches, and the fine dining and entertainment and shops at Main Street and Pacific City. Also nearby is South Coast Plaza, Costco, Huntington Beach Central Park Library and Senior Center, the Huntington Beach Sports Complex, the Equestrian Center, Miles Square Park and Golf Course, the Orange County Fairgrounds, and much more. Easy access to freeways and Pacific Coast Highway. And with many recent improvements, enjoy California coastal living at its finest.
Great homes in this location and this neighborhood rarely come on the market, so please call us today for a private showing.
Hey guys, you know what happens when one of the houses we're selling has a pool in it, don't you?
Pool party!
Oh yeah! Oh yeah. So, show up for our open houses here, and you can make this pool yours by summertime. It's a nice heated pool. Imagine having great pool parties out here, all your family and friends hanging out. This is the place to be. Oh yeah.